Let's meet Mr. George, a resident of Albion, Indiana. For the last few weeks, he was concerned about the leaky and damaged roof of his building. Due to the lack of knowledge, he was unsure of the proper measurements. So, he discussed the matter with his neighbor who recommended Smith Roofing and Remodeling. Immediately, he called 260-799-9999 and booked a complimentary inspection from them. Their competent inspectors assessed the condition of the roof and suggested installing a new one. Within certain weeks, their certified roofers completed the project and also used premium materials. Mr. George was overwhelmed by their flawless installation service. So, do you also want to install a new roof? Visit www.smithroofingremodeling.com to learn further.